ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 We will do the chanting next class. Related to the I'll give some dhatu. You can do the Titva Karya. Some haladi dhatu. Example for haladi sheshaha. Haladi sheshaha we know. Abhyasasya adi hal sheshaha bhavati. Shishyate. Anya halaha lopaha bhavati. So let us do some more examples on this for each Abhyasa Karya. So I will give the dhatu. You can try the dhatu. I'll put a table. So let us take the dhatu. So let us take the dhatu. Pat dhatu. Pat will become Abhyasa Karya.
Pipatishati.
Just we do duplication. Pat will become pat.
Oh.
Then Pipatishati is a Langrakara Rupam of the Nanta. Then pat. Then Haladi Sheshaha is applied. By that becomes Papat. So Papat is a Dvita Rupam. Not a Dhatu. Just the Dvita Rupam only. I'm writing here. This is for Haladi Dhatus. Ajada Dhatus, Ajari Dhatu we were seeing, we will see that. This is some Abhyasa on the Dvita Karya. What will become?
Madvad and Vavad.
Vavadda. Similarly, lik. Lik becomes lik and then lik. Then kad.
God, then God.
Is lick or lilik?
Ka and kad. Right. So this is lilik. Okay.
Lilik.
So everywhere you have to see whether other abhyasa karya happens. That we will see. Whatever here ka is there. After that becomes rasvaha.
Swaha.
That will be the example for rasvaha angakari abhyasa karya. Okay. So it is not complete here. Don't think it's complete. It's not complete. Just doing the abhyasa. Aladi shesha we apply. Bhuj will become
Bhuj.
Bhuj and then
Bubuj.
Bhuj. We will continue from here. The next abhyasa karya, what if at all if it undergoes changes, certain dhatus will undergo change. That we have to see the aladi dhatu, but now I'm giving here as an example. There are some dhatus, more dhatus we will see. Then Bhush becomes Bhush,
Bush.
Bhush, Bhush. Similarly, meal becomes
Meal.
meal, and then
Me.
meal. Then nya dhatu. Nya. Aladi sheshaha.
Jakara.
Then it will be jagnya.
Yeah.
After that, rasvaha will happen. But here it is jagnya, right? Aladi shesha jakara will remain. Similarly, Shri, then not. Adi al is jakara. Epa is not adi al. Epa will not remain. Jakara alone will remain. Therefore, she.
Shri.
Therefore, it is Shri. Similarly, Sru. It is Sru. Oh, sorry. Sru. Sakara is the adi.
That will be there.
So that will remain. Therefore, Susru. Similarly, Dew it is. Long one. Dew. Then Dakara plus Yakara becomes Dudyu.
Dodyo.
Little rasva.
Rasvaka happens later.
Later.
So
Oh, yeah. Therefore, it will be
you.
yes. Dudyu. Yes. Rasvaha will happens later by Rasva. Then you can take this becomes this. Then
This.
then piss becomes piss. Then piss. Actually, da will be replaced by this. Pad will be replaced by this. We will see that later. Similarly, if you take Vur is nothing but from the Vru dhatu. Vru will be Rikara will be replaced by Vur. Ritaha dhatu of Vru, and there it will be Vur. Ultimately, Kru will become Kir. So duplication would be
Over.
Vur, vur,
Over. Over. Over.
and vuvur. And kir, kr dhatu,
Kir.
kir,
And
kir,
kir.
it becomes kikir. This is examples. So, one more is there. And that's kir similarly that you can take dhatu is mir. Mir become mir, mir.
Mimir.
It's not mir, sorry, it is oshtya, the oshtya, then it become muru become mur, not me. It is mumur. Therefore, you will have mumur. This is aladisheshaha. Similarly, sharpurvaga kayaha. Aladisheshaha is simple one. Sharpurvaga kayaha. That also you'll see examples for that. We have not seen example for abhyasakaja. We have just seen only one or two we have seen. So here we will see more. Sharpurvaga kayaha. We know sharpurvaga kayaha does. Sharpurvaha, the kai letter
Remains.
remains.
I letter remains and
So therefore aladi dhatu having shakara, sakara, shakara. Then what will happen after that? If kai letter comes, then kai letter will remain. Right? Example. Spard, suppose we do spard. Spard. Spurs. Yes. It becomes spard, and then here it is. Yeah. This shar letter purvaha followed by kai letter will remain. Therefore it become paspard.
pas.
Similarly, spand. Spand, then
Then it will become
kai letter will remain, all the other letter will drop. And kai letter happens should be shat purvaha kai. Therefore you will have pas, paspand, right?
Paspand. Paspand.
It will be paspand. Similarly, skund. Similarly, it will be skund, then
Skund.
kukund.
Kukund.
Kuskund. Then next one, stuch.
Pustuch.
So takara will remain, therefore it will be tus, tuch. Sorry. No. Tuch, right? Then spurge. Spurge. That will become
Spoo.
spoo. I mean, poo, spurge. After that, rasva will happen. Then the next one, stump.
The stump.
The stump. It is the stump. Then sput. Sputati. Sput dhatu.
Put. Pusput.
So it becomes pusput. Similarly, here, scum. Scummed.
The scump.
Scum. Okay, there are so many like that dhatus we have. So that dhatu list will be useful because these dhatus are in the that from dhatu kosha taken. So you will see many dhatus, stub dhatu. So we can just you can tell the form. I will type the form later. Stub will become
Ustub.
tustub. Skad will become
Kaskad.
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 skull.
Kal.
Kaskal.
Kal.
Kaskal.
Kaskal.
Then stull.
Kastal.
Tal.
Spash.
Kaspash.
Kaspash.
Skand.
Kaskad.
Kaskand.
Kaskand.
Stig.
Kistig.
Tig.
Stud. Stud dhatu.
Ustud.
Pustud.
Ustud.
Tustud. Some of the you can check the dhatu meaning later, or I will add later. All these are shad purvaha kai dhatus. So stood, then spur,
Puspur.
Puspul.
pull,
Puspul.
Puspul.
spud.
Puspul.
Puspud.
You have spitu. Dhatu is spitu. Is spitu. Not spitu, it is spitu. That's all.
Pispitu.
Then stup,
Ustud.
Ustub.
then stun,
Tastan.
Stan.
stain,
Tastain.
Stain.
Stain.
sustain, right?
E-
I mean, that's a te, yeah. After that, of course, it becomes rasvaha. Te means eat. That rasvaha is the shit become tea.
Okay.
Yeah. It's te, it is now here it is tastain only. Yes. Then sku,
Pusku.
Pusku.
stru,
Stru.
yeah. Tru, stru,
Stru.
stru, yeah. Then after that become rasva, rasva become urat. Therefore you will have tar stru like that. Then stu,
Ustud.
Ustu.
then sta dhatu.
Tasta.
Sta.
Tasta.
Tasta then becomes tasta, then
Tasta. Then tea.
ti. Then this ta also will be replaced by char letter later. So you will have tasta. Taste. In litlakara will be taste. Taste, tastuhu, taste, I mean, atmanepadi, prataste, pravapasarga, tas. The infant reader recently was doing prataste, was there prataste. Litlakara stadatu, with pravapasarga, it is atmanepadi, prataste. So only stadatu and stya. Okay, stya will become. What is the form? Yeah, stya is interesting. What will be its Vyasakaria? Stya. After that,
Takara will remain.
Sakara will go. So,
Then?
Sya.
Huh?
Sya.
Sakara will go.
Sakara will go. Takara will there. What about Yakara? That also goes
Sakara
away.
will also go.
Goes away.
Therefore, you will have ta.
Tasya.
No, tastya. After that, ta will become ta. Yes.
Yeah. Correct.
So ta will be there. Right? As it is here, sta dhatu. Ta dhatu. What happens in sta dhatu? It is ta.
Asta.
Tasta. Same thing here. Right? This
Yeah.
here Aladi Sheshaha means that Kai letter will remain. After that Yakara, that Hal, that will drop. Right? That gets dropped. Okay, this are some interesting dhatus. Similarly for Rasvaha. So Rasvaha, after doing this, we can combine, we can take this as well as this, whichever is both we can take, and any Rasva Karya is that we also we can do it. So just copy that. There is in Pat there is nothing, and Vad also, Lik also, just remove this. Khad, let us have this Khad. Khad will become
Khad.
Khad. Similarly, Bhush will be there. Becomes Babush. Rasvaha. Here Me will become Mimi. Here it becomes Jagya. This I remove it. Then Dyu will become Dut. It is Dudyu. Right? Then this I remove it. In the previous one, the Dirga is there, Paspad, then Spoosh. Take this one. Dirga, there is Dirga, then becomes Raswa.
Spooch.
Spoosh. Other dhatus you have to find out. Okay, then Kad we have done. Okay, let me take some different. Ni dhatu will become Ni, then
Nini.
Ini. And Bu dhatu becomes Bu, and
Boo, boo,
Bu.
Then who it will become third letter. No?
That later.
Oh.
Yeah, we are doing Rasva. Save dhatu. Save
See.
C.
becomes Rasvaha. Therefore, save will become
C.
A will be replaced by E. Therefore, save. A good example. Then Go. Dhatu is Gosht dhatu. Gosht
Gosh.
becomes Go will become Gu. Rasvaha. Gosht. Then we have the dhatu Dauk. You see it in dhatu pata. Dauk becomes
Do dog.
Dog.
becomes Do Dauk.
Oak.
Daukate. And more examples we can copy from the other one. This is one. Later we can do the Abhyasa Karya for all. Now the example for next Abhyasa Karya. Urat. Uhu at bhavati. Ravanantasya Abhyasasya at akaradeshaha. So Ravananta. So what all the Ravananta? The dhatus. Let us see. There is some dhatu. Dhatu Vrish dhatu becomes Abhyasa Vrish. After that
Vash.
Vrish will become
Var.
Ru is replaced by Ar. Then Aladi Shesha had to be applied. Therefore, Var also will go away. Vavrish. So Varat we are applying Aladi Shesha also. So therefore Vavrish, right? Similarly, Krish Dhatu. Krish will become
Krish,
Kakrish.
Karkrish, then Kakrish.
it is Karkrish, and Repa goes away, Haladi Sheshaha, Kakrish. Similarly, Hrish becomes
Rish, Rish.
Rish, then Harish,
Ha, ha,
then
Rish.
Harish.
Har, then Repa
Har,
goes away,
then Repa.
Harish. Then similarly, we have Vrit Dhatu.
Vrit, Vrit.
Vad,
Vrit.
then Vavrit.
Vavrit. So it is Var and Repa goes away, Haladi Sheshaha, Vavrit. Okay, and some more, if we find, we'll add that later. Huh?
We have. Ru.
Ru.
Also there. Ru.
One Ru is rich, Ru, Gachati, Ru. Ru will become
Ar.
Ar.
Har,
Ru will be Rukarasastane Ata Adeshaha. But Ru will see, because this is Ajadi Dhatu, we will see under Ajadi. Separately we will see. We have Dhatu, even we have Dhatu, Rid, etc. So we will see that what happens to this. So here, the Ru Dhatu, Rid Dhatu, there we will see undergoing, that we have Rukara, Rud Dhatu will be replaced by E. See, the sutra, there is one sutra. It is an Abhyasakarya Sutra 7.4.44. See the sutra. 44 or, sorry, not 44, 55. Ap Nyap Ya Radam It. Example for Rid Dhatu. So here you can see. Okay. It's not given. Let us see here. Ap Dhatu, Nya Dhatu, Nyap Dhatu, then Rid Dhatu. Radam It Bhavati, Sani Pratyaya Pare. Sani Pratyaya Pare, only duplication happens. Right? So, therefore, here you will have the form Rid Dhatu, the form you will see. It will become Eat. It becomes Eat. The R will be replaced by E. You see Kashika here. R Dhatu. R Dhatu ko Sanantarupam Sati. That is, when San Pratyaya follows the roots Nyapi. Okay, they are optionally they say that is one thing. And the R will be replaced by E Kara. That is what the sutra says. Okay. So, therefore, the R we will do separately. R is Ajadi Dhatu. Oh, sorry, Ajadi. So, Ajadi Dhatu ko Sanantarupam. After that, I'll write separately. You'll see that. What happens at R. R is there in the first Gana as well as I think the other Gana also. Third Gana, I think. Richati. So, Sanantarupam, if you take, we can write here the form, maybe it will undergo change. R will become Ar, then Aladi Sheshaha, A will remain. Then Ar, so it will be like that. So R will be R plus Sun, R plus R undergoing duplication. So R, then this is Abhyasa, then R will come, R plus R, then Aladi Sheshaha. So you will have R. So let it be R. R cannot be A plus ru will become her. Cannot be together. Therefore, here other sutra works in. In fact, the form, if you see rich, ru dhatoho, sanantarupam, aririshati iti rupam. So we will see that later, what happens there. Okay. So, ru dhatoho, sanantarupam, aririsha. But I write like this, aladisheshaha, I'm not applying here. We will see that later. Then, this is about the urat. Even under urat itself, you can see the example. I think not discussed, but let us see. 1 minute. Urat example is अभ्यास विद्यमानस्य रुवर्णस्य अकारादेशः भवति. कृ धातोः, we know it is
Wait, we have
credent.
seen under Ajadehe Dvitiyasya Sharanji Aririshati.
Yeah, therefore we cannot do. We have to see. Yeah, ajadehe dvitiyasya. But ru alone we cannot do duplication. Yeah, right. So ajari dhatu. Therefore we are with, since we are just doing the duplication. Therefore I can keep like this. But what pratyaya we had to duplicate, with that only we have to see. Duplication can happen when lit pratyaya follows, lit lakara, san pratyaya or young. When it is when san pratyaya, then before duplication ru plus sa, then ru dhatu, whether it is set or unit, we have to see. I think it is a way.
Set only.
Set. Okay, e comes. So ajadege now. Ajadege dvitiyasya. The dvitiya is e. So that e is will be there. So ru will remain. Then you will have is, then isa. Then
And even anit, ru dhatu is anit in dhatu pata.
7 to 35.
no, it is unit, but if it is vikalpena, we have to see whether vikalpena it is there.
By
Okay.
7 to 35 takes it on. I have written.
By 7 to 35 is adhadhatukasi it valadehe. Ru if you can see the dhatu pata, which is the richati, which is in both, okay, both are anit. Anit dhatu, but taking it agama with regard to sun. You can check our it prakaranam. So I think it agama is there. That is why in the rupam, sanant rupam, it agama is there. So rikaranta, okay. Because you asked this question, let us see the it prakaranam. Under it, Dhatu must have been included, discussed. So that this, though this dhatu is anit, with regard to sun, it will be it. Okay. Let us see here. Dirgha rikaranta dhatus. Excepting the dhatus kru and gru, all the dirgha rikaranta dhatus, the following dhatus are wait. Okay, then short summary of it vyavastha for alanta dhatu, then wait alanta dhatavaha.
It Saniva 7 to 41.
It saniva.
There
Yeah, it is saniva only that rikaranta dhatu. We say rikaranta dhatu will take optionally it.
Ru and Ting.
Yes, ru ending roots. Yes, it's saniva for which anuvritti is that anuvritti is vru, right? Vru coming as anuvritti. Therefore, when san pratyaya follows, it is optionally it. So you will see that in our its summary here. Its summary must be there. In the okay, let me see the Ajanta Dhatus here. Not a wait, it is it.
It comes after wait, Sharanji.
Yeah.
It comes
It is.
after wait.
Yes.
It comes after wait. You're given that it is it's aniva.
Nirakushaha, Sani,
Wing and ring, through all that you have given.
Yeah. One minute.
after Nirakushaha.
After
The following Ajanta Dhatus are wait. Okay, this is general. And we have added some, we have removed some for San Pratyaya Nirakuchaha. So here it is Sani Vivoscha.
after that,
Then after this, it's Saniva.
it's aniva.
So
Yeah,
through.
there.
So here San Pratyaya may optionally take it, which is lengthened after the R ending dhatus. Rukara ending dhatus. Vru stands for Vrung as well as Vrung. Okay, this is Ru, Dirga Rukara.
Dirgha Ru is there.
We are seeing Rukara, Ru dhatu. So
Rakaरणम, you are given that. If you go down,
huh?
There. Up,
Sani Varda.
up the first one. There we have the options.
No, Rikaranta Dhatu we are talking about. This is Rikaranta Dhatu. For Rikaranta Dhatu and Vru Dhatu, Vrung Dhatu and Vrij Dhatu, it will be optionally hit. Okay, one. It is, must be here somewhere. The desideration will take optionally hit for the following Dhatus. Okay. Here it is Aririshati. Rudhatu. Rudhatu, whose form is Aririshati. You can see here. Dhatus, this is a sutra. Smi pung anchu iti etesham dhatu nam sani pratyaya itagamaha bhavati 7-74. Smi dhatu and the dhatu smi, sming, pung, and here ru, pung and ru is that. Pung ru. Smi dhatu and ru dhatu are anit. This is by this sutra, 7-74, not itsaniva. Okay. So ru dhatu is anit. Ru dhatu is anit. Sani pratyaya pare. San pratyaya follow, this dhatu will become it. This dhatu is anit dhatu. That is what given here as ru dhatu is anit. Ru dhatu is anit. But san pratyaya pare, this will become it. You see the sutra 7-2. So therefore sutra is 7-74. 7-74. By that sutra, ru dhatu is becomes said. Smi, pung, and ru. That pung plus ru, nakara plus ru, pung, ru, it is that. So don't miss the ru. Here we miss ru. So this dhatu, when san pratyaya follows, it will be said. Anit, which is, will become said. That is what here we have seen in the Rakaranam. Right?
Okay.
So you can note this. That's why I said, no, we won't be able to, we can't remember everything. We have to keep this dhatu separately. So when this comes, we have to, should know, at least it is there. Okay, anyway. So ru is set now. Because it is set, then itagama comes. Once itagama comes, then ajadehe dvitiyasya by that sutra, we have to do the dvitam of the second H. Okay. Oh, where are we now? Okay, here it is. Ajadege dvitiyasya, by that, the second one will have to be duplicated. Then after that is r jangasya. So you will have r. Then angasi gunaha bhavati. That's a sutra. Then you will have ari. Then ari, r plus a, ari. Then the form is ari rishati, right? The form is ari rishati. There we have another sutra by this r will undergo this, that isa ari rishati. R is replaced by r. Then what we have, r plus ari rishati. Anyway, you get the form ari rishati. So r and ajadege dvitiyasya, second one will undergo duplication, and then we will have r, this will r, then is, then there's a there's a sutra is by that, this will become guna. So re plus repa plus E is ari, then sakara plus e becomes c, that becomes she, ari rishati. This is how we get. Okay. So r will ajadege dvitiyasya, second one will undergo duplication. Anyway, that we will see rikaranta dhatu separately, but here you can keep as it is. It is actually r. And ajadege dvitiyasya, because it is ajadi, therefore dvitiya will undergo duplication. Therefore, we cannot write this. That's why I'm saying this dhatu, we cannot write this. We can say that for what will happen for lit lakara. Okay. For sananta, we cannot write it because sananta ajadege dvitiyasya, second one will undergo duplication. But in the case of lit lakara, that is possible. Lit lakara, what will be the form? Litaha anabhyasasya. So therefore will undergo duplication. So there it what will happen? It is eka achyeva. Therefore that is adi, that is yanta. So that will become r. Suppose we do pratama purusha ekavachanam. So r will undergo duplication. So this r is urat will apply, and this r because of nit guna vriddhi will happen r. So this aradisheshaha repa will go away, and r plus content of null is a. So repa plus a is ra. So a plus a samana dirgha sandhi. Therefore you will have ara. Ara is a rupa, right? Anyway, so here we will keep, because you said r. So keep the it as r. It is ekach, that is the adi ach, and that is the adi. So what will undergo duplication? That alone will undergo duplication. So r, that is fine. You can keep as it is. Okay. Right. Understand?
Yes.
So Ari Rishati, how it comes, we have seen Ari Rishati. So, and if lit lakara, in lit lakara only this rupam is possible. We can do duplication. In Sananta, we cannot do like this, because in Sananta, once if it is Sananta, then it is r, it is becomes Sed Dhatu, Itagama with the San Pratyaya, then Ajadege Dvitiya, second one will undergo duplication. Not the r will undergo duplication. So this is, you cannot do like this for Sananta. That is why this I avoided now, but because Ramaji, you told her, that's why we took up this. Okay, so r will be for lit lakara possible. Anyway, as Dvitam, this is fine, but not for Sananta. Don't take it for Sananta. This will be misleading at this point. Therefore, I remove this. This is not required now because we are doing Sananta, right? Therefore, I remove this now here. In lit lakara, you take as it is. Lit lakara, it happens, duplication happens, but not for Sananta. Sananta ajadeke titiyasya bhavati. Okay. Then next one, kuhostuhu. If you have some other dhatus, we can add. We can just see the abhyasa karya of that. Kuhostuhu, example. We can take example from previous one also, but let us right here. Krudhatu. Krudhatu as well as
Sharanji,
Kru-
it is
huh?
Deep. It is
Sorry?
Deep Kru.
Dirgha.
Oh, okay, it will become only.
Both are we can do.
Okay, okay.
Kru becomes Kru urat will apply kar aladisheshaha repa will go. Now here we can apply kuhostuhu. Kakara will be replaced by corresponding chavargalatu, which is chakara, right? Cha. But it doesn't stop here. After that we have sani ataha. By that what happens? A will be replaced by E. Therefore you get chikra. So this is not it over. Okay. Kuhostuhu, applying chakra you get. But san pratyaya follows what happens? Sani ataha E adesha become chikra. Okay. So this is abhyasa karya is for everything. Abhyasa karya is not complete. So after that, whatever sutra to be applied, we have to do. For lit lakara, this is stops here. For lit lakara, for example, if you do lit lakara, chakra plus null, kru will become kar. Then you have kara. Null is nothing but a, so chakara. That is for lit lakara. But for san pratyaya, chakra, then this will become saniyataha by the sutra chikra. Then you have to get the form chikir shati, the form you get. Fine. Here I will take chakra and then saniyataha, that abhyasa we will see later. Then kru will become, already we saw kru dhatu. What will happen to kru? Dirgha rikara.
Rasvam.
By that rasvaha first. Number one rasvaha. Then
Ret happens.
urat, by that becomes kar. After that
Kuhostuhu by that.
aladisheshaha ka. Then kuhostugu by that cha. And later sani ataha by that
Chi.
chi. Therefore it becomes chi. In fact, here, before itself we have to do ritaha iddhatoha by that sutra, it becomes kir. So it is not really kir, it becomes kir. Right? Ritaha iddhatoha 7 to 100, we have seen that before. Rikaram dhatu, no nimitta. Rikaram dhatu will be replaced by E. So therefore kir. So therefore here we can take it as a kir alone. So here it is cha. So kir, then repa will go away, who goes to who, then it is chikir. In fact, it is chikir. See, this is important, you have to note. Otherwise, what will happen? If you don't do kir, you will have, if you don't do kir, chakir. But chakir also will become later by saniyataha
Sanyataha chi.
chikir. But here it is not a problem, but somewhere it may hurt us. So now, that's why better do that ritaha idataho beginning itself. Sanyataha by that, here again it will be replaced by ikara. Therefore, here it is not a problem. Somewhere, some other place. So you have to be careful. Therefore, better you do ritahi, because ritahi dhatu doesn't have any nimitta, right? So therefore, better do the ritahi dhatu and then do the abhyasa karya. Similarly, kan, suppose kuvostu, kanati. So kan, then this will be kha. Kha will be replaced by corresponding chavarga letter, which is sha, right? After that, abhyasa charcha you can do, chakan you get. Then gum, then we can do the
Jagam.
abhyasa.
Jagam.
Gagam, then Gagam becomes Jagam. As dhatu. As. Then we have Haladisheshaha, ha, goes to, by that becomes replaced by Jakara. Ja will become later Abhyasa Charcha. Ja, Rasva. Then Han dhatu. Han. Then Haladisheshaha, you get ha, and ha will be replaced by corresponding letter Jah, and then becomes Rasva.
Yes.
So we can copy this for Abhyasa Charcha. And also from the previous example, when we apply the final sutra, we get the final rupa, chitta rupa. So here we put it here. So here the abhyasa is two not required. We can fill it up with next one. Kakhan here becomes Chakan. And here it is Gam. Here becomes Jagas. Here it becomes Jagan. Some more we can do. I'll write it here. Suppose if you do dhatu, tud dhatu. Tud. Then what will happen to the abhyasa? Aladi Sheshaha, you will have two, then abhyasa charcha, you will have two. Rasvat. I mean, alpa prana, katora, tun. Right? Then Pal will become Pal. Abhyasa is
Kapal.
Aladish.
Info.
Ha will become Pa. Right? Similarly, Pan, then it will become Pa. Aladisheshaha, abhyasa charcha, Apan. Then Braj dhatu. Actually, it is breast to become Braj. Then it is Braj. Breast dhatu. Breast, that breast. But it become Braj. Sakara replaced by Jakara. Braj, if you take it as a Braj. Aladisheshaha. Oh, sorry. Aladisheshaha, by that, what will remain?
Bhabraj.
Jakara will drop. Repa also will drop. Bakara alone will remain. Bakara plus A is Bha, Mahaprana. Right? Bha. Then when you do this Abhyasa Charcha becomes Alpa Prana. Pabraj, right?
Yes.
Then similarly, we have Jarj. Abhyasa is Abhyasaha. Adihal is Repa Jakara will go away. Jakara. Then Abhyasa Charcha. Jakara. These are all you can see from here onwards. It is, we are replacing third or fourth letter by the third letter. Previous one up to here. Second letter and first letter are replaced by char letter, first letter. So chartam happens. Up to here it is chartam. Right? Up to here it is chartam. From here onwards it is jastam. It is replaced by jakara. Because abhyasa is charcha. If it is first and second letter, then First letter will replace. With third and fourth letter, then third letter will replace. Similarly here, dog already we have seen. Dog will become applying all the abhyasa karya. First is aladisheshaha, then dau. Raswaha becomes do. Then abhyasa charcha becomes. Which letter is that? This is fourth letter. Therefore replaced by third letter just like that. Similarly, bhu dhatu, what we saw. Bhu becomes bhu is dirgha, make it rasva. Then Allah, then abhyasa charcha becomes bhu. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose if it is chal dhatu, then chal, then aladisheshaha cha, chachal only. Saniyataha, maybe it will become it becomes e. But here already it is char letter, therefore remain as it is. Right? Some more example. Here this example is to show that it is already char letter, chapa char letter remains char. Char is replaced by char. Similarly, we can say jap. Then here already it is just letter is there. Aladisheshaha, then abhyasa charcha, jajab. So next one, teak, then teak. Aladisheshaha, by that T, then T, raswa becomes already T, it is char letter. So you can leave it as it is. D, dayate, D dhatu. D, and here it becomes raswaha, D. D already is just letter, so you can leave it as it is. Similarly, tru dhatu, rukaranta dhatu, tru, then tru becomes raswaha, tru,
and then
then urat will apply, then aladisheshaha, ta. Then abhyasa charcha, already it is char letter, so it remains as it is. So this three is interesting. You can see the many abhyasa sutras applying through. Similarly, dal. So dal becomes dal, aladisheshaha. By that, the is already just letter, remains as it is. Nam, namati, nam, aladisheshaha. It is na. Na is fifth. This example for fifth letter. So that will remain. It will be replaced by what letter? Just what is just letter for na? What will happen to na? Abhyase charcha. So adesha is, if it is third letter or fourth letter, third letter will come. If it is second letter or first letter will come. Right? If any other letter is there, then nothing will happen, it will remain as it is. So na will remain as it is. Abhyase charcha you cannot apply. Nanam only it is. Okay, this example you can note. So nanam, fifth letter of the class, that will remain as it is. It is Anunasika letter, so you cannot replace it by any other letter. Because Adesha is Jash and Char cannot come, so Jash also cannot come. So therefore, if it is only first and second, first, third and fourth, third, fifth letter, it remains as it is. Then another example, pat. Pat will become, pa is already kar letter. So papat, aladi sheshaha, pa, pat, then papat. Then bhad, bhadate, atmanipadi dhatu, bhad. Here it will become bhad, aladi sheshaha by that,
Va.
va,
Va.
and rasvaha,
Then
ba,
Rasva Bhad.
then abhyasa charcha, ba is already there, babad. Right? Okay. Similarly, now this fifth letter we saw. Other letters we will see. What about the sibilants? If at all sibilants comes, there are some dhatus with a sibilant. Let us see. Suppose dhatu shas dhatu, shas anushishtav, shas abhyase abhyasasya kim bhavati here adi aladi sheshaha sha, then rasvaha sha. After that abhyase charcha cannot apply. Sha is replaced by sha only. You cannot replace it by just shashas only it is. That's why I said the first letter, second letter, then first letter, third letter and fourth letter, third letter. Any other letter will remain as it is. Then another example, meal. You can see the fifth letter coming. Meal becomes meal. Then in the abhyasa, aladi sheshaha, then rasvaha, me. What about me here? It is fifth letter, remains as it is. Similarly, yam. So there are yam is also not included. Therefore, yam is antastha, semi-verbals. So yam, aladi sheshaha, yayam. Ya will be replaced by what? Ya will remain as it is. Will not undergo any change. Then vriddha dhatu, vriddha. So here what will happen? Aladi sheshaha, vr, then we will become var, then vavriddha. So va will remain as it is. Ita yam, tadvat, ram also. Ram dhatu. Similarly, lap dhatu, another semi-verbal. Lap becomes lap, then aladi sheshaha.
La.
Therefore, here la is semi-verbal. Remains as it is, right? Okay.
That will be where Ram Shanti above.
Yeah. Dharam.
There also.
Yes. Now, I'm not sure whether I taught you this sutra 7467. I will type later, but I'm not there. I'll just show. This is another abhyasa sutra I will add in our notes later. Dyuti swapyoho samprasad. This is, see the numbers, 7467. So it is 74 is, we know, 7458 after onwards, abhyasasya letaha, anabhyasasya abhyasa bhavati. So this is abhyasa karya sutra. This is for the dhatu, dyut dhatu, and dyuti swapyoho. Swapyoho means swabdhatoho nijantarupam. So samprasaranam bhavati. You can see the Kashika is not given. Anayoho abhyasasya samprasaranam bhavati. What are the dhatu? One is div dhatu, dyut dhatu. Dyut dhatu, not div dhatu, dyut dhatu. Other one is swap dhatu. Swap dhatu, swap is there. Therefore, swap will become swap only when nich is added. So dyut dhatu and swap is causative. Causative form of swap dhatu. Swap plus nich will become swapi, right? Atapadayaha vriddhi. So for this dhatu, what will happen when sani pratyay, not sani, abhyasasya, abhyasa karya will happen. It's common. So for that, what will happen? Let us do this with samprasaranam. I'll just do it here. Only for these two dhatus. So dyut will become dyut, right? After that, Samprasaranam bhavati.
Akara.
First you have to do the dvitva, right? Then abhyasasya samprasaranam. Abhyase dyut aladisheshaha takara will go away. Here dakara plus yakara plus ukara. So samprasaranam will happen for yakara. Yakara will be replaced by ikara.
Akara.
E is samprasaranam. E plus U is E.
Mm.
Therefore, what you will have? The. Therefore, the rupam would be the dyut. The dyut is a rupam. You can note this. This is only for these two dhatus. That is why you can see here dyut. This is with the V upasarga is given. So dyotishate, the rupam. So you have the form dyotishat. Dyotishat means D plus dyut. Then guna happens. D become takara. Okay, sorry, I missed yakara over here.
Yakara, yakara.
I missed yakara. Takara plus yakara, right? So then dyut. Jyotishate is it is Jyotishate, which is the Sanantarupam, Jyotishate. That okay, that leave it. But if you do the duplication, this is what you get it. That is Aladisheshaha, by that Dakara will remain. And this is undergo Samprasaranam, Yakara plus E. So here what will happen? So Samprasaranam when we do, Yakara plus Yakara is replaced by, sorry, I think I did
No,
correct only.
that was
Yakara
correct.
is replaced by Samprasaranam.
Only you did Samprasaranam. That was correct.
This is
understanding.
correct only. Ikara is replaced by undergo Samprasaranam. Therefore, E plus U is E. So therefore, Didyut only get. Yeah. So the form is Didyut. How the Jyotishite becomes, we will see that. That is the D undergoes some Jyotishite you get. This is the Dvita Rupam. Therefore, Didyut is correct. Let us check this form. The Sananta Rupam. Sananta Rupam of the Dhatu. Dhatu Pata. Dyuta. Deeptau. So Sanante. Yeah, it's Didyut only. So far it is correct. Didyut. And one more form is there. Okay. One more form that the Dyu becomes takes guna. Fine. The Didyu. So the form is correct. This is for once Dhatu, Dyut Dhatu. Another Dhatu is Nijantarupam of Swap Dhatu, that is Swapi. So Swapi will undergo Swapi. First is Dritvam. And Abhyase. So we have Sakara plus Vakara plus A plus Pakara plus E. Swapi. So Va will undergo Samprasaranam will be replaced by U. U plus A is U. So therefore Aladi, okay. Aladekhe, Pakara plus E. Then this is Nijanta Rupam. So here you will have Su plus P, Supi, Swapi. Sakara plus Usu, then Haladi Sheshaha. I think Haladi Sheshaha also will happen. So Pakara will go away. And this is Samprasaranam. Again, U plus E will become U. I think you will get Suswapi something. Let's check the form. This is Nijanta Rupam of that. Let us see the, let's say, what is the form given? The form for Nijanta Rupam of Swap Dhatu. Yeah, Su. So, Sushvapayishyati. So, Samprasaranatacha is applied here. So, Sakara plus U. Sakara plus U Su. Then Pakara goes away by Haladi Sheshaha. Then Ukara plus E. Ukara is Samprasaranam. Samprasaranatacha by that. U plus E is again U. Therefore, you get Su. Therefore, you get Suswapi. Suswapi is a Rupam. And that is given here in the Sananta Rupam. Spushvapayishyati, causative form. Right? So Swabdhatu and this Dyuddhatu. Swabdhat, Nijanta Swabdhatu and Dyuddhatu will undergo Samprasaranam. Abhyasasya Samprasaranam bhavati. This is the sutra. You can note 7467. And Sanyataha. Sanyataha, for that, you can I will do some example. That is the last one that will stop. Sanyataha, like the examples what we have seen before. Akarantasya abhyasasya ikaradeshaha. I will do some dhatus here. You can tell the form. Let's take the dhatu, spard dhatu. Spard will become spard. Then spard. This is Shat Purva Kayaha will apply. Aladi Sheshaha Shat Purva Kayaha. So Pakara will remain, other things will drop. Therefore, you will have Pa. And Pa is Abhyasasya Akara is Ikara Adeshin Prutta, you will have P. Therefore, Pispard you get Sanyataha. Similarly, Spand Dhatu. Spand will become Pispand, right? So Aladi Sheshaha and then Saniyataha. Sorry, that's Shat Purvaha Kayaha place, not Aladi Sheshaha. Then you get Pispand. Then Skull Dhatu. Skull. Shar Purvaha Kayaha. Therefore, Kayaha, Kai letter will remain. Other letter will drop. Therefore, you will have here Ka. Ka is second letter will be replaced by corresponding Char letter, which is Ka. And Ka is Abhyasasya Karasya Ikaradesha. Therefore, Chiskal you get. Follow. Understand, right? Then Stal. Stal will become Shar Purvaha Kayaha by that. Tha. Tha is the Kai letter. Tha will be replaced by corresponding. We can do first this Abhyasa Karya, and then we can do the Abhyasa Charcha. Ta is Ti. First we can do Sanyataha. Then Ti Takara will be replaced by Kara. Therefore you get Tistal. And the next one, Spash. Already this thought also we have seen. This becomes Paspash. Then Paspash, Shadpurvaha Kayaha. Then Pa will become P. Sanyataha, Pispash. Similarly, Skanda. So Skanda will become Kaskand and Kovostugu will apply. Becomes Chiskand and Chi will be replaced by it is Cha Saniyataha, but Cha will be replaced by Chi. You get Chiskand. Then Stan. Stan will become Tistan. Right? I hope you understand how it comes. Then Virish will become Mahaprana Virish. Virish. Then Viri will undergo Aladi Sheshaha Vri. Urat becomes by that Var Aladi Sheshaha again. One more time, 2 times you are applied. Then Va becomes Sanyataha V. Then Khan. Kakhan. Aladi Sheshaha. It is Khan. Then Kugostugu. Kugostugu will apply, right? By that it is Cha. goes to cha, then cha will become chi, and abhyasa cha, chi, chicken. Then shall will become chal, then aladisheshaha cha, then we can do sanyataha chi, then abhyasa cha, that is also chi, chal only. So doesn't have no change other. Jab, which is aladisheshaha ja, then we have ja is already just uttered. Ji, here sanyataha will apply. Jijab we get. Similarly, pat dhatu. Pat will become aladisheshaha, then pa become pi, pipat. Similarly, pat become pipat. And bad dhatu. Bad will become bad. Then rasvaha. By rasvaha ba, then ba become b. So what be bad. Then vriddha dhatu. Vriddha becomes vrid. Aladisheshaha vrid. Vrad, by that var. Aladisheshaha is var. Va become b. For vivrid. Then lap dhatu. Lap. Aladisheshaha it is la. La becomes sanyataha li. Therefore lilab. Then dal itself we can take. Dal will become dada, then da become di. So similarly, ni also we can take. Becomes nam also we can take. Nam become nanam, then sanyataha ninam. So pat already we have done pipat. We can change it this to pat, maybe pat. Get pipat. Bad already we have done. Shas we can do. Shas is becomes sanyataha. By that become shishas. And me is sanyataha. Already we have is that will not apply. Yam, that there it will apply. Yam becomes em. And virid already we have done. And ram also it will apply. Becomes riram. Lap already we have done. We can do han dhatu. So han, then aladisheshaha is ha, and goes to go by that ja, and ja will become saniyataha ji, and abhyasa cha becomes jihan. Right? These are some of the examples. And this is one more, we'll see that later. Sanipare yatangam tadavayavasya abhyasa okarasya. Syat pavargasya, that what will happen? Oho, who, yen, jyapare. That we will see in the application comes. So these are some of the examples for abhyasa. We thought of teaching Dvirvachane Achi, but we'll see that in the next class. Dvirvachane Achi, if you have time, you please see and come. It comes under Stanivat Adeshaha. You see the sutra, Dvirvachane Achi. Stanivat Bhavaha Anal Vido, we have seen, if you remember, in the 1156, we have seen this Stanivat Adesha Anal Vido elaborately in the Ashtadhyay class, that is in the beginning one. That is, now we are doing that Lakara Rupam of that. There only we took a diversion, came to Sun. So there we are seen Stanivat Adesha Anal Vido. 56, Ajap Paras Vinpuru Vido, this sutra also under the, we have seen in the context of Churadigana, becomes Katdatu, becomes Katayati, not Katayati. The next sutra, there it negates Stanivat Bhavaha. The next sutra is Dvirvachane Achi. So here Dvirvachanam talks about the Dvitvam which happens due to the 6-4 section. 6-1, not 6-4, 6-1. Dvitvam happening due to Shashtadhyayasya Prathama Pada Sutrena. So Prathama Pada Sutrena. So that it means Abhyas are related. So that is a Durvacha. Durvachane Achi Stanivat Bhavaha. So this sutra we will see. Two things happens. Rupa Adeshaha Karyati. Rupa Atideshaha Karya Atideshaha. What is that? You have to see. And Stanivat Adeshaha Nal Vido. If you can go through that income, we can understand. Otherwise, also in this sutra alone we can see. The Stani Dharma will be given to Adesha. So the Stani Dharma, the Adesha which replaces the Stani Dharma, whatever the Dharma is that, Stani Guna Dharmaha Adesha Api Tidishyanteva. That is the discussion. Stanivat Bhavaha. So in case of Dvivachane Achi, you will see. Okay. This is important because we are doing Dvitvam. The 4-hour context, this is required. So here we have two contentions, Siddhanta Kamadikara's contention and Kashika. Though they differ, but the end result is same. So we will see both. The next class we will do. Okay. After doing this Abhyasa example, thought of doing, but time not there, we will stop here. We'll see in the next class. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः जी.